What's up, guys? It's your boy Wrench coming at you with Low Life Street Bikes. To the side of me, I have what gen is this? Gen 4?
3.
Gen 3 ZX10. It's my buddy's BK's bike. He's right behind the camera. We were out racing at Race Wars a couple months back, and unfortunately, we heard something knocking. So we're gonna take the side fairings off, and we're gonna pull the oil pan and inspect the bottom of it, see if we have anything that lets us know what's gonna happen. If we're gonna do engine rebuild, throw some bearings in it, or do a whole engine swap, and then try to build it from there. We're still kind of debating what he wants to do as far as the mechanic side of what we're gonna do. If we're gonna build it, sell it, get him a different bike, get him a Busa.
Never.
So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take the side fairings off. I'm pretty sure you guys all over YouTube, there's videos of how to take these fairings off. So, yeah, we're just gonna have at it and go. All right, so right now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pull bottom fairings, top fairings. I'm gonna pull mirrors off. You gotta get all this front end apart. We are gonna have to pull the radiator, and the exhaust is gonna have to come out so we can get to the oil pan and be able to drop the oil pan, because we want to see exactly what we have under there. We're gonna catch the oil with this little guy just to kind of see if we have any sparkies or get an idea of what we're gonna get into as far as like the damage inside the engine. So hit you with a quick little time lapse right now and have fun, guys. Hang on. Alright guys, as you can see, got all the fairings apart. You guys saw on the time lapse. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the oil filter, or the oil plug, and we're gonna see if we see anything in there in the oil. I got this little clear guy here to catch any of the oil, or all the oil. Let's see what we find in there. Pretty dirty. Don't really see any.
Up top. On top of the, like, tilt the pan back to you. Oh, you might have washed it away. I saw something. We'll check it out.
Yeah, we'll check it out. Hopefully this has enough capacity to cover it. If not, we can put the rest. We just wanted to catch the initial drop of everything that's been sitting down on the pan. At the beginning, we wanted to catch it first. So right off the bat, I can't really see anything that would give me any real good detail of exactly what happened in the motor. So we'll pull the oil pan next, and we'll take a gander up top, see if we can see if any of the rods got a little hot, or see if something happened. Hopefully we can see something under there. So yeah. Well guys, we just dropped the oil pan, and as soon as we drop the oil pan, you guys can see those goldy flakies right there. That's bearing material. So definitely spun a bearing. So we're gonna have to probably drop the engine, split the cases, and see what we find as far as what bearings took a shit and if the crank's gonna be okay. So tough break. Racing's racing. I mean, build, fix, repeat, right?
Break.
Oh yeah, build, break, fix, repeat.